Hello everyone and welcome back to Zed Designs. Today I'll show you how you can compress a PDF file online. This is the PDF file that we are going to compress. First, let's check the file size. As you can see, this is a 216 MB file. To compress this, let's go to adobe.com. Once adobe.com is open, click on PDF and e-signatures, and then click on Compress PDF. Once you see this page, click on the Select a File button and select your file to upload it. When the upload is complete, there are 3 boxes showing compression levels: high, medium, and low. Select your compression level. I need high compression, which will give me the smallest size PDF file, and click on Compress button. This will start the compression process. Next, you will see your PDF file will open like this. To download this, click on the Download button. Our file is downloaded. Let's go and check the size of our compressed file. So as you can see, the compressed file size is 3.22 MB, which is amazing. So this way you can compress your PDF files online. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.